Tired of juggling between Notion and Evernote, wishing you could harness the power of both? Let's bridge the gap and create a supercharged productivity system in just 90 seconds. First, let's define each tool's strengths. Notion excels at project management, database creation, and building interconnected workspaces. Think of it as your digital command center. Use it for long-term project planning, detailed task management, and creating wikis or knowledge bases. Set up dedicated pages for your goals, projects, and recurring tasks. Evernote shines as a quick capture note-taking app, perfect for fleeting thoughts, web clippings, and meeting notes. Your external brain. Use Evernote as your primary inbox for ideas. Quickly jot down thoughts, save articles you find online, or record voice memos during your commute. Tag your notes appropriately for easy searching later. Now, let's integrate. The key is embedding Evernote notes within Notion and Evernote. Find the note you want to integrate, click the three dots, then select Copy Note Link in Notion. Paste the link into your page, choose Embed. Voila! Your Evernote note is now seamlessly integrated into your Notion workspace. Repeat this process to bring relevant notes into your project dashboards, meeting agendas, or research pages. Use Evernote's web clipper to save articles and research directly into specific Evernote notebooks. Then embed those notebooks into your Notion research databases for tasks that require specific context from an Evernote note. Simply link the note to the task in Notion. This allows you to centralize your project management in Notion while retaining the rich note-taking capabilities of Evernote. By strategically combining Notion's organizational power with Evernote's quick capture capabilities, you can create a productivity powerhouse tailored to your workflow. Now go forth and conquer your tasks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tricks. What are your favorite Notion and Evernote hacks? Share them in the comments below.